Hi everyone, I'm Aaron, and my project is Infinity Mirror LED clock. Basically, first what I did for my second milestone is that I made it so that I added an alarm system into my clock. And basically what happens is when that target time is reached, what I do is I use the buzzer that I installed to make a sound. I also make the LED strip go rainbow for a few seconds. In order to input that timer, I also added a numpad to the thing. In order to display what is being shown, I also added an LCD strip to it. And in order to, I also, since while I was at it, I was like, might as well also make display the time so that the person could also tell whether it was AM or PM. So I'll just run my code now. Yeah, so as you can see right now, this displays that it's 11:07 a.m., which also agrees with what the time is saying. So in order to input a alarm, you just press the pound button, and it goes to and it says setting alarm, and then you can just enter 11:08, and now it says that. So now we can just wait until the alarm goes off. Yeah, it might take a while. In the meantime, this wiring just got really complicated as things went on, and that was definitely one of the biggest challenges this time, was keeping control of the wires, because like I just had a ton and they got out of control a bit. So yeah, now the alarm has been uh, activated, and now this thing is turning rainbow. And yeah, afterwards it just goes back to being normal. This is that. You can also input another alarm if you want. You could just do the same thing again, but yeah. So as I was talking about earlier, one of the major challenges was just keeping control of the wiring. Another thing was that this thing, as you can see, the wires are really hard to, you really can't keep them in place very well. So they kept popping up. In fact, this is like my 5th time filling, just because they kept popping out their sockets and making so that this doesn't display anything. In the future, I'll definitely have to like solder them on so that they can stay on easily. Yeah, so that's my second milestone.